Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Family Home Kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen, where today we're crafting an easy and delightful tortilla roll recipe with cream cheese. A wonderful blend of flavors and textures that's sure to bring joy to your taste buds. To bring this recipe to life, we'll need 4 soft tortillas as the base of our rolls. To fill these tortillas, we'll be using 200 grams of cream cheese, a perfect blend of creamy and tangy. To add a bit of crunch and flavor, 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic will be mixed into our cream cheese. To bring a fresh element to our rolls, we'll be using half a cup of chopped parsley. Of course, we can't forget to season with salt and pepper to taste. And finally, we'll need a bit of oil for frying. The beauty of this recipe is its simplicity and versatility. So, gather your ingredients and join in the cooking fun. The first step involves mixing the cream cheese, chopped onion, minced garlic, chopped parsley, salt, and pepper. It's all about creating a harmony of flavors here. Start by taking your cream cheese, soft and rich. Add into this a punch of pungent chopped onion and minced garlic, creating a great base for our mixture. Then, for a touch of freshness, we bring in the chopped parsley. Its vibrant green specks not only add color but also a subtle peppery flavor that complements the creaminess of the cheese. Now, we season this mix with salt and pepper. The salt enhances all the flavors while the pepper adds a little kick. Stir this all together until it's well blended. You want every bite to have a bit of everything, so make sure the ingredients are evenly dispersed throughout the cream cheese. Once you've mixed these ingredients to a smooth consistency, you're ready for the next step. Now it's time to heat up the frying pan, drizzle some oil, and soften your tortillas. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, we need to heat up our trusty frying pan over a medium flame. You don't want it too hot nor too cold, just right to get our tortillas nice and pliable. Once the pan is heated, drizzle in just enough oil to lightly coat the bottom. We're not deep frying here, just a light touch of oil will do the trick. Next, take one of your tortillas and lay it in the pan. Let it bask in the warmth for a few seconds. You'll notice it's starting to soften, becoming more flexible. This is exactly what we want. A soft tortilla is easier to work with and will roll better. Now comes the fun part, filling up our tortillas. Grab a spoonful of that delicious cream cheese mixture we prepared earlier. Don't be shy, but don't overdo it either. We want a nice balance of filling to tortilla. It's all about that perfect bite. Place the cream cheese mixture on the upper part of the tortilla. This will make the rolling process easier. And speaking of rolling, it's time to roll up our tortillas. Start from the top, where your filling is, and roll downwards, tucking in the filling as you go. Keep the roll tight. We don't want any of that tasty filling escaping during our final fry. Repeat this process with the remaining tortillas and cream cheese mixture. Remember, it's all about balance and tight rolls. By the time you're done, you'll have a lovely batch of tortilla wraps waiting for their final fry. You're doing great. We're almost at the finish line. And don't worry, if at first you don't succeed, try again. Practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be rolling tortillas like a pro. It's all part of the fun of cooking at home. Now let's move on to our final steps. The last step is to fry these tortilla rolls until they turn golden on both sides. This isn't just about aesthetics, though the golden hue is appetizing. It's also about achieving that perfect crisp texture that makes these rolls so satisfying. Heat your pan over a medium flame, add a little oil, and gently place your rolls in. Be patient. Let them sizzle and turn them over when they're ready. You're looking for an even golden crust. Now, once they're beautifully golden, remove them from the pan and let them rest a moment. This allows the cheese inside to finish melting and the flavors to meld together. Then, with a sharp knife, slice your rolls into bite-sized pieces. Serve them hot, allowing the creamy molten cheese to ooze out with each bite. There you have it, delicious cream cheese tortilla rolls. Enjoy this easy and delightful snack. This recipe offers a great way to enjoy a quick and tasty snack. Feel free to experiment with different types of cheese for a customized flavor. We've whipped up cream cheese, onion, garlic, and parsley into a delightful blend, spread it onto tortillas, rolled them up, and fried them to a golden crisp. It's a simple yet delicious dish that can be made in a jiffy and enjoyed by all. You can also play around with other cheese types like cheddar, mozzarella, feta, or Gouda to add a spin on the flavor and texture. Remember, the best part about home cooking is the freedom to adapt and create your own culinary masterpieces. We'd love to hear about your
your tortilla roll adventures, so feel free to share your experiences in the comments below. Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today. Stay tuned for more fun and easy recipes. Happy cooking! If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking.